So whenever if anyone is searching on Google with a search term like social media agency, so automatically you could see that all the social media agencies are showing up over here. All this is possible because of Google My Business. So just below that you would see an ad and advertise just like this. My browser has an ad blocker. Let me see if any business that's advertising. Right now I don't think anyone's advertising digital agency in Karachi. These are the name of all the digital agencies that are working in Pakistan right now. Automatically all of their names are coming up in the list, and also the names of the business are on Google Map and Google Search who registered through Google My Business.